Today, I'm with the strongest fitness influencers I know. We'll be challenging US Marines to find out who is stronger. Starting with arm wrestling. 2 people from each team will compete, and each match is worth 1 point. All right.
Come on, Nick, lock in. Ready, go. Get that wrist over the top, Nick, come on. Let's go.
Now we have Larry versus Steven. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go, Larry, let's go.
Let's get it back. Come on, come on.
Get it out.
Get it back.
Let's go, Larry, let's go.
We started off with a strong lead, but there's still 5 more challenges left. The next one being max deadlift. Whoever lifts the most weight wins 1 point for their team. We've got Larry going up for Team Influencers. Let's go. Then we have Darren for Team US Marines.
I'll knock it out first.
We had a lot of confidence in this event because in case you didn't know, Larry knows a thing or two about lifting heavy. No hesitation, he just went for it. We have 315 on the bar. Let's see if you got it, Larry. Nice. Going up another plate. Let's do it. 405, it's starting to get heavy.
Let's go, Larry.
Come on. He didn't even set up, he just goes.
I set up just quickly.
No wraps yet, no belt, just going for it. Dang. How you feeling right now?
I'm good, I'm good. We gonna hopefully PR.
Larry, how you feeling right now?
Feel like I'm about warmed up now. This is where it starts to feel a little heavy.
Chris, do you want to try it real quick?
What?
What the? Okay, that works too. All right, you got this, Larry. Explode.
Yeah.
Oh,
Still warming up.
Still no straps or belt. That's crazy.
get up.
Ooh. Oh.
Let's go, Larry.
Let's go, Larry.
Come on. You got it.
Let's go. Up, 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 up.
Dang. Crushed that.
Just get started. Let's get it. Up and down. Up and down.
Stand up.
Up and down.
Stand up.
Up and down.
Yep. Really making me work today. Man.
What do you guys think you want to go to?
What do you want?
I can go a plate, but if you haven't pulled convention in a long time, I'm down to do another.
Quarter? Get that PR locked in. Larry, what's your all-time PR? Kind of curious.
9:29 for 3.
Sheesh.
Oh, you think we're gonna hit that today?
If you stay tuned to find out, maybe. I don't know.
Oh,
Woo. That went up
dang.
too quick.
Got this, Darren. Lock in.
Come on now. Strong. Strong. Come on.
What's the next move right here? 7 plates?
7 plates it is.
7 plates.
Oh my gosh. What is 7 plates in weight?
That's 675.
Let's go, Larry.
Come on, Larry.
Let's go. Focus. You got this. Do this every day. Let's go. Let's go. Up, up,
go.
up, up, up. Up, up. Yo, you got him sweating over there.
It's strong.
You got this, Darren.
Lock in.
All you.
Let's go. Let's go.
So that right there, 1 more point for Team Influencers. We are up 3-0. Let's move on to the next event. Although Team Influencers are up, the next challenge is where the Marines' combat experience will come in handy. We have the punch machine. The team with the highest combined score wins 2 points to their team.
Come on. We go.
659. Dang. Okay.
You got this, bro. Step into it.
Yo, 528. Not bad. Elvis, we're down right now, so hopefully he gets like 200. Oh, 633. God, they are crushing us so far. No! Oh, I said we only get 1 attempt. I wish I never said that. Thank you, thank you. Okay, if I mess this one up, oh well. Ah. All right, that was terrible. Oh my gosh. All right, 480.
Let's go, Darren. Come on. Use that power. Let's go.
We get some back.
There it is.
Marines have 1,861. We only have 1,108. We got to catch up, Chris.
We'll make up for it.
You got it. Come here.
Make us proud.
Get a record.
Come on.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh! 619. Who's next?
Hey, this is for that arm wrestling match.
What? Oh my God.
Breaks some ears. Oh! The paper made it slip. All right, Steven, hit that one more time. Oh, 602.
Technique.
We need a score of 900 to beat the Marines. If anyone was going to be able to do it, it's Larry.
Into it.
Come on, Larry. Whoa! What? 665. So we lost the event. All right. So that's 2 points for Marines. We still have 3. Let's move on to the next event. For this round, we have max push-ups. Whoever can do the most amount of push-ups will win 1 point for their team. I'm going up for Team Influencers. And who you guys gonna send up?
Nick, right here.
Nick? Oh my gosh. You ready?
Let's go, Brandon. Conserve that energy. 6. Let's go.
Keep that tempo, bro.
Lightweight.
Come on, Nick.
You shaking, Brandon. You got this.
I like to see the shake. I like to see that shake.
Just a pump. Come on.
Don't waste energy on the eccentrics. Come on.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Get it, Brandon.
Shaking, Brandon. You got this.
That's it. Take the W, Brandon. Got your name on it.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Yeah. Hey, great work, bro. Great work. There's 1 more point for Team Influencer. It's now 4-2. Up next is the 1-finger lift. Whoever lifts the most weight wins 2 points for their team. It'll be Magnus, who's a world-class rock climber with insane grip strength, versus Steven for the Marines.
Go, Magnus.
2 plates. There we go. It's like a bag of groceries. There you go. They lifted 90 pounds easily, so we loaded another plate, making it 135.
Getting close to my body weight, actually.
Really? 90. That still looked effortless for both of them, so we had to add another plate.
Dude, I'm just realizing how intense this is. Oh! That is insane.
What? Where?
We got to try a bit, though. Put on another plate.
Oh my God.
225 on one finger.
This is going to be really hard for me, though.
See if you got
Time to beat
it.
Okay, Steven. Come on. I think he's getting close to his max, bro.
Yeah, I am too, though.
With another 25 pounds added, we were just 55 pounds away from the 1-finger lift world record. See if you got it, Magnus.
Yes!
Yup. Yup.
Wow.
270 pounds right here, dude.
Now it's going to cut through.
Let's go, Magnus. Come on, brother. You got this. Come on. Woo! I thought his fingers stayed there. Let's go, Steve.
Let's go.
Take it home.
Come on. Got it. Yup. Yup.
Get it up.
Come on.
I think we call it a tie. So we're splitting up the points there. 1 for Marines, 1 for Influencers. Which makes the score 5-3, with 1 challenge left to decide the winner. For the final event, we have the max muscle up. To keep it interesting, we up this event to 3 points, and whoever does more wins the entire challenge for their team. We got Chris going up
No
for
pressure.
Team Influencers, let's go. And Elvis for Team US Marines.
That's competition right there.
Come on, Chris. You do calisthenics all day, every day. It's all you. Let's go. 1. Woo! 2. 5. 8.
Yes.
You got this. Let's get to 20. 13. 14. 15. 16. Oh my goodness.
I think I'll leave it right there.
Wow. 16 reps is what you have to beat. And if you beat 16, you guys win the entire challenge.
I'll give it my best shot.
Here we go. Oh, always flying up there. 2. 5. 6.
Come on.
10. 6 more, Elvis. 11. 12. 13! Oh my gosh! 13!
4, bro. Come on.
Let's go.
Push.
Oh my gosh! Influencers, we take the win for this video. Let's go. Marines, thank you guys for coming out.